Hi, I'm Dr. Luigi Gratton with Herbalife. Are you looking for a great plant-based and organic supplement option for digestive support? Get a boost of organic fiber from Herbalife V Plant-Based Digestive Support, specially formulated with organic oat, guar fiber, and apple powder to help reduce occasional digestive issues, such as irregularity, when consumed daily as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. This convenient daily powder supplement is sweetened with organic monk fruit, and it's versatile enough to add to your favorite Herbalife beverage. Like all Herbalife V products, plant-based digestive support is made with ingredients that are third-party certified and backed by science. Simply mix 2 tablespoons, approximately 13 grams, with your shake or 6 to 8 ounces of cold water or your favorite liquid once a day to get your daily boost. Trust your gut is getting the fiber it needs with Herbalife V Plant-Based Digestive Support. Get yours today.